Good day. This is our Group 5 featuring hotel reservation system. My name is Josan Arsenal, the leader of this group, and our member Franchier Gabriel, Omar Lagman, Kent Botalon, and Mary Joy Dison.
In these chapters, we have introductions, system features, tools and technologies, results, conclusions, and recommendations. In introduction, we develop a hotel reservation system combining mobile and web platforms designed to simplify room booking, check availability, and manage reservation in real time, aim at reducing manual work and enhancing user convenience.
The system features are user authentication, secure login and registration, room booking, guests can select rooms, check rates and book dates, admin dashboard, manage users, rooms, payments, and reservations using CRUD operations.
And another system features mobile-friendly interface built, built using jQuery Mobile for responsive design and real-time updates, prevent overbooking and improves accuracy. By one of the key features of our hotel reservation system is its mobile-friendly interface, which we built using jQuery Mobile. This framework allows our system to work smoothly and consistently across smartphones, tablets, and desktop browsers without needing separate versions. It ensures that guests can easily access the hotel reservations anytime and anywhere, whether they are on their phones or computers. With the help of jQuery Mobile, the system provides responsive layouts and touch-friendly controls like sliders and drop-down menus, which improve experience, especially for guest booking rooms on mobile devices. Another important feature is the real-time update system. Whenever a guest books a room, the availability status is instantly updated in the database. This feature is crucial because it prevents overbooking and ensures that room availability is always accurate. Both guests and hotel staff can immediately see which rooms are booked or available, making the reservation process faster and more reliable.
Now let's move on to the results of our project. We successfully developed a hotel reservation system using ASP.NET, MVC, jQuery Mobile, and Visual Studio, and lastly MySQL. The system includes key modules for users, room reservations, payments, and transaction logs. It features responsive design compatible with mobile devices and supports real-time data updates. We implemented full CRUD functionality like create, read, update, and delete for all major components, ensuring smooth management of reservations, users, and payments. Overall, our system significantly improves efficiency by automating hotels' operations, reducing errors, and providing guests with a convenient booking experience. For the conclusion, the hotel reservation system we developed successfully addresses common issues found in manual booking systems such as delays, double booking, and limited accessibility. Guests can now book rooms quickly using their mobile phones, making the process faster and more user-friendly. Our system not only enhances customer satisfaction but also boosts operational efficiency, helping hotels stay competitive in a tech-driven market. And for the recommendation, to further enhance the system, we recommended adding more personalized features like guest preferences, loyalty programs, and integration with only payment gateways, and continuous updates and security improvements should be prioritized to protect sensitive user data. We also suggest encouraging hotels to adopt and customize this system to improve their digital preference and offer better guest experiences.
Thank you. This is for our group presentation.